Welcome to Elf's Final Fest. Here's how to join the treasure hunt at Lacul Noua in Brașov this weekend. Open the App Store or Google Play and search for Netizen Tours. Download and install the app to join the treasure hunt, where you'll discover hidden locations that the elf team is spread across the park. Once you find them, you can check the details of the pin to see the hidden clues and tasks. When you have all 8 pieces of the puzzle, show the team to win. Launch the app and tap New Game. Choose a username, enter your email, and set a solid password that you're sure you can remember. Choose your username that tells a story about you too. A one-time code will be sent to your inbox. Enter it to confirm your account. Now you're in. Netizen is simple. You capture real-world locations, collect points and stamps while learning more about the world around us. Here's the map. Now tap in the top right, touch Tours, and then search for the elf's hidden treasure. Tap Start Tour and you're ready to go. In a treasure hunt, the pins are hidden, but the compass will help you find your way. When you're close, the pin is automatically captured. Each capture pin appears on your map. Tap it, select More Details, scroll down, and swipe through the descriptions to reveal tasks and clues at the next stop. Some locations even include photo challenges or vibe checks, so you can share your adventure. I hear that there's a hidden baby turtle somewhere. Enjoy the elf hidden treasure hunt. Be safe, have fun, and good luck!